Dear students, in this video we'll discuss installation of VMware workstation and creation of virtual machine. So we have a few steps like first is you have to enable the virtualization. Okay. So for enabling virtualization, first restart your system or turn on your system and then press F2 or any key at a startup for BIOS setup. Then in BIOS setup, you select Advanced tab, and under Advanced tab, you have virtualization. Select virtualization and press Enter key. Then select Enabled and press Enter key. And finally, press the F10 key and select Yes and press the Enter key to save changes and reboot into Windows. So this is your first step, because in order to use VMware, you have to enable the virtualization. After enabling virtualization, we need to download VMware Workstation 50, and after download, I will install this workstation in our Windows. So first open browser and in Google search type VMware workstation workstation download. Then click on this download VMware Workstation Pro. Okay. So here we have Workstation 15.5 Pro for Windows and for Linux. So download, click on download now. Now we have downloaded this VMware software. So just open your download and click on this VMware Workstation Full 15.5. So double click on this exe file, then select yes. Okay. So it is now installing VMware Workstation Pro 15.5. After installation of this software, you just open this application VMware Pro. So it will open the VMware application. So this is your VMware Workstation 15.5. Now you can create a virtual machine. Uh, just click on this virtual machine. For creating a virtual machine, select typical or custom. So select typical, and then you please add the installer disk image. Say if you want to install uh, Ubuntu, so just type Ubuntu 20 ISO download. Okay, so click on this. So first download this ISO image. You have 64-bit PC AMD desktop image, as well as you have this 64-bit PC server install image. So click on this desktop image. So after download, open VMware and click on create a new virtual machine, and then select configuration typical and click on next and select your ISO image. So this is my ISO image. Select and then click on next. Type some name like uh, say C computer 1. Say username is Amir, password is Amir, and confirm password is also Amir. And click on next. Again, this is the name of your virtual machine, and this is the location. If you want to change your location, just click on that and give a different location like this, and then click on next, then continue. This is what your maximum size on disk. So you can change this size also. So recommended size for Ubuntu 64-bit is 20 GB. So I am not changing it. Click on next and then click on finish. So it will install Ubuntu 64-bit. After installation, click on this Ubuntu virtual machine and then power on this virtual machine. It will start your virtual machine. So this is your Ubuntu virtual machine. So first log in. So username and type password. So this is the process of installation of Ubuntu 64-bit on virtual machine.